Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to draw pictures like these very easily using just your phone. Let's go. We'll need a cup, any kind will work, a blank sheet of paper, a pencil, and this app right here. Place your phone on top of the cup, put the sheet of paper underneath, open the app, and start tracing. It's really simple, and anyone can do it. That's how you can easily create cool drawings right at home. Try it yourself and see how simple it is. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.